from the 8th of the 10th month of 1436. Ek, symbol, secret word, and mana, spiritual exercise, and lesson 5 of the Ek Dream 2 Discourses. Page 102 of the Ek Dream 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp has an illustration of 3 people on rectangular platforms of what could be water, fire, or clouds. Our lives are rooted in a past beyond the life of this physical body. But we don't need to actually see ourselves as characters in other bodies to understand the details. An African fisherman, well-dressed Black woman, who's like an opera singer, and a Native American woman on a horse can be symbols that mean different things to different people. The man fishing from the bottom left platform can be said to represent skill and hard work. The dramatist on the central platform might refer to the emotional and the sensual. The Native American girl on the horse might represent the detachment of the intellectual viewpoint. And one of the things that we see, EK is the symbol that we are referring to. You know, it's kind of like a drawn in a circle usually.